Hello, sir. I'm going to present my final requirement in your subject about cybercrime law. Chapter 1 Preliminary Provisions. Number 1. The type of communication service used, the technical provisions taken thereto, and the period of service. Number 2. The subscriber identity, postal or geographic address, telephone and other access numbers, any assigned network address, billing and payment information available on the basis of the service agreement or arrangement. And last, number 3, any other available information on the site of the installation of communication equipment available on the basis of the service agreement or arrangement. Traffic data or non-content data refers to any computer data other than the content of the communication, including but not really limited to the communication's origin, destination, route, time, date, size, duration, or type of underlying service. Chapter 2 Punishable Acts. Section 4 Cybercrime Offenses. The following acts constitute the offense of cybercrime punishable under this act. Offenses against the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of computer data and systems. Number 1. Illegal access. The access to the whole or any part of a computer system without right. Number 2. Illegal interception. The interception made by technical means without right of any non-public transmission of computer data to, from, or within a computer system, including electromagnetic emissions from a computer system carrying such computer data. Number 3 is data interference. The intentional or reckless alteration, damaging, deletion, or deterioration of computer data, electronic document, or electronic data message without right, including the introduction or transmission of viruses. Number 4 is system interference. The intentional alteration or reckless hindering or interference with the functioning of a computer or computer network by inputting, transmitting, damaging, deleting, deteriorating, altering, or suppressing computer data or program. Electronic document or electronic data message without right of authority, including the introduction or transmission of viruses. Number 5 is misuse of devices. The use, production, sale, procurement, importation, distribution, or otherwise making available without right of a device, including a computer program, designed or adapted primarily for the purpose of committing any of the offenses under this act, or a computer password, access code, or similar data by which the whole or any part of computer system is capable of being accessed with intent that it be used for the purpose of committing any of the offenses under this act. The possession of an item referred to in paragraphs I, AA, or BB above with intent to use said devices for the purpose of committing any of the offenses under this section. Number 6 is cyber squatting. The acquisition of a domain name over the internet in bad faith, profit, mislead, destroy reputation, and deprive others from registering the same if such a domain name is similar, identical, or confusingly similar to an existing trademark registered with the appropriate government agency at the time of the domain name registration. Identical or in any way similar with the name of a person other than the registrant in case of a personal name, and acquired without right or with intellectual property interest in it. Computer-related offenses. Number 1. Computer-related forgery. The input, alteration, or deletion of any computer data without right, resulting in an inauthentic data with the intend that it be considered or acted upon for legal purposes as if it were authentic, regardless whether or not the data is directly readable and intelligible, or the act of knowingly using computer data which is the product of computer-related forgery as defined herein for the purpose of perpetuating a fraudulent or dishonest design. Number 2, computer-related fraud. The unauthorized input, alteration, or deletion of computer data or program, or interference in the functioning of a computer system causing damage thereby with fraudulent intent, provided that if no damage has yet been caused, the penalty possible shall be 1 degree lower. Number 3, computer-related identity theft. The intentional acquisition, use, transfer, position, alteration, or deletion of identifying information belonging to another, whether natural or juridical, without right, provided that if no damage has yet been caused, the penalty impossible shall be 1 degree lower. Letter C is content-related offenses. Number 1, cybersex. The willful engagement, maintenance, control, or operation directly or indirectly of any lascivious exhibition of sexual organs or sexual activity with the aid of a computer system for favor or consideration. Number 2 is child pornography. The unlawful of prohibited acts defined and punishable by Republic Act number 9775 or the Anti-Child Pornography Act of 2009, committed through a computer system, provided that the penalty to be imposed shall be 1 degree higher that provided for in Republic Act number 9775. Number 3 is unsolicited commercial communications. The transmission of commercial electronic communication with the use of computer system which seek to advertise, sell, or offer for sale products and services are prohibited unless there is prior affirmative consent from the recipient, or the primary intent of communication is for service and or administrative announcements from the sender to its existing users, subscriber, or customers, or the following conditions are present. Letter A, the commercial electronic communication contains a simple or valid and reliable way for the recipient to reject receipt of further commercial electronic messages from the same source. The commercial electronic communication does not purposely disguise the source of the electronic message, and the commercial electronic communication does not purposely include misleading information in any part of the message in order to induce the recipients to read the message. And that's all. Thank you for listening, sir.